This is one of the new all-in-one palettes from Pharmacy. If you can just see it on there. And this one is in the shade Medium Deep. So let me show you that there, Medium Deep. And this has a contour, a highlighter and a blush. And it's got a little guide there that shows you where to apply. And a little step-by-step instructions of where to apply the contour, the blush and the highlight. Now I particularly like this highlight because I'm not a highlight girl, but this one is so lovely and soft, and it's got a satiny shimmer rather than a sparkly glittery shimmer, so I really like that one. You start with a liner brush, and I'm going to use the contour as eyeliner. Highlight under the eyes. The brush to pull it up into a bit of a wing, but following the bottom lash line. And I'm not going all the way into the corner of the eye. Just need to flick that out a little bit more. And just bring that out from kind of the centre of the lid out to meet the little flick up wing that I've done there. Now you can go a bit thicker with that if you want to, go as thick as you want, bring it up. There we go, so that adds a little bit more definition to the eyes. I'm going to use a fluffy crease brush, again in that contour, and I'm going to apply it to the outer corner of the eye. And just contour the eye lid. Now build this up as much as you want to. Can you see how that just adds a bit more shape to the eyelid? And if you've got a hooded eyelid, then this is what you need to do to actually just push that back, give the illusion of a more lifted eye. It's great for holidays because you can just take the one palette and use it for your eyeshadow too. It's going to go even darker. Just keep building it up. There we go. Now I'm going to pick up that highlighter with my finger . First time I'm trying this with this palette. So just put it on the inner corner of the eye. I like that. I'm going to go just a bit higher. See how that just gives great contour to the eye. Loving it. Okay, do we need a little bit more? Going crazy now, just a bit more under the eye. Just bring it down a little. That really balances the eye. I'm loving that, I'm loving that. So that is the medium to deep all-in-one palette, and I've just used contour and a highlighter for eyeshadow. Just Just going to finish off now with some mascara, and this time I'm going to show you the Double Lash Extend mascara. This is the one that's got 2 wands in it, and you can see here the bottom one says volume and the top one, if you can just see, that says length on the top. So you've got two wands in here. I'm going to unscrew it at the red part. And let's pop that in and go with the length. Now this is a different brush. The other silicone finer brush, which is going to build up the length as it draws that mascara gel down the length of the lash. I'm just going to use that brush. On the bottom lashes. Now just take your brush right up to the root and just get that depth of colour right up at the root, and that, you can see, gives you that thicker looking lashes. There we go. So let's just do the other eye. See, this one is a thicker in fact they're both kind of silicone type brushes. I just it feels kind of softer, if you like. It really adds a lot of product onto the lashes. Pop that one away, get the other one out. You see how that separated the lashes there. Same brush, I'm just going to go in for another coat on the top lashes. There we are. You can pop more coats on if you want to, but that is the Double Lash Extend mascara, and using the medium deep all-in-one palette for my eyeshadow. Okay, if you want any information about those products, then just message me or drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.